Hello everyone, meteorologist Mike here for your Delmarva Forecast here on August the 18th, and we have a wet injury day across the peninsula here today. That's all from this, what was a potential tropical system that is now centered off of our coast. It did not get anywhere near as structured or as strong enough to be classified as a tropical storm. However, we're still seeing plenty of impacts here from the peninsula, including some elevated winds, and we will be continue to see these elevated winds all until Aaron starts to move out of the area. Actually, as this system will just be sitting over top of us, continue to give these wet jury days as well as some stronger winds here for the next couple of days. And that leads to not a great beach day forecast here for the rest of the week, basically. Uh, and I know some beaches did close today because of strong seas as well as strong rip currents. That, unfortunately, is also going to be lasting until Aaron moves out of the area, maybe even towards the weekend here. Outside that, we do have a coastal flood advisory in effect for Sussex County, Delaware. That's because we do have winds out of the east. We're going to continue to see winds out of the east here for the next couple of days. So I expect Wakefield to follow suit here shortly, start to issue some coastal flood advisories or statements here down in Maryland and Virginia as well. Now, I was talking a bit about Aaron. The core of Aaron, the center of Aaron, is going to be well off the coast. You can see that here from the cone. That is where the cone says where the center of Aaron is going to be. However, look down at this wind field. That is all of this orange. That is everywhere that is related to the center of the storm that is producing tropical storm force winds. We are dealing with a very massive storm. That is why the Outer Banks are under a tropical storm watch right now. Luckily for us, the core of the storm, like you see, is going to be well out to sea. However, we are still going to be impacted by this. We're still going to see some elevated winds starting Thursday directly from this storm here. It's going to be giving us some increased winds. Basically, it's going to be looking very similar to what we're seeing with this system that's sitting off of our coast right now. Some occasional showers are going to be sent our way from the core of the storm, as well as some elevated winds and stronger seas. And that's going to be lasting on into Friday. Friday will start to calm down here throughout the day, and we won't be fully calm until we hit the weekend.